Morning, guys. Let's begin our day with sketching. Freedom of mind. Join me as I take on the challenge of breaking free from overthinking and discovering my inner peace. It's not easy as we talk, or as I draw. Lines totes killing me. Really loving them pages. Till my next video, you all drink and eat healthy.